In life, in order to level up, you would have to replace your habits. Replace fast foods with a healthy diet. Replace toxic friends with mentors who will motivate you. Replace Netflix with a proper sleep. And replace complaining with gratitude. It is easy to eat junk food and watch Netflix. It is easy to complain on each and everything. It is easy to find and to be around toxic friends. But it is not easy to have a healthy diet or to have mentors or to be grateful towards your life. And the ones who do difficult things are the ones who gets succeeded. You cannot change your future, but you can always change your habits. And surely your habits will change your future. Think for a minute. See you tomorrow.